Find the coordinates of a point A where AB is the diameter of a circle whose center is 2, -3 and B is 1, 4. So we have to solve this using midpoint formula because center is the midpoint of the diameter. Let us see the graph how this is looking like. So here B is given as 1, 4 and center is 2, -3. So we have to find the vertices of A, X, Y. Here clearly we can see that center is the midpoint of the point A and B. So using midpoint formula, which is x1 plus x2 by 2 and y1 plus y2 by 2, we can resolve this. Now our B is x2 by 2. We'll take this as x2 y2 and center is the point M, midpoint xy. So center is equals to 2 minus 3 is equals to x1 and y1. We have to find the vertices of A. So we'll write x1 plus x2 is 1 by 2 and y1 plus y2 is 4 by 2. Equate the coordinates. X coordinate is equals to x coordinate and y coordinate equal to y coordinate. x1 plus 1 by 2 is equals to 2. Transpose this 2 on that side. So that will be 2 times 4. x1 plus 4 is equals to x1 plus 1 is equals to 4. x1 is equals to 4 minus 1 is 3. Now equate the y coordinates. y1 plus 4 by 2 is equals to minus 3. Transpose 2 on that side. That will be minus 6. y1 plus 4 is equals to minus 6. And y1 is equals to minus 6 minus 4. So y1 is minus 10. So the vertices of A is 3 comma minus 10. So these are 3 comma minus 10. If A and B are minus 2 comma minus 2 and 2 comma minus 4 respectively, find the coordinates of P on AB such that 7AP is equals to 3AB. So P is a coordinate on AB and the relation is 7 times AP is equals to 3AB. So 7 times 7AP is equals to 3AB. Transpose this AB this side and 7 on that side. So the ratio of AP and AB is equals to 3 by 7. Let us understand this using graph. Now P is a point on the line AB and it is given that the ratio of AP and AB is 3:7. AP is this part and AB is the complete line. So this is 3 and 7. So we can say that this part is 4 because the complete line is 7. So if this part is 3, then this will be 4 times. So P is dividing the line segment in the ratio of 3:4. So we can say that M is to N is equals to 3:4. Now we can easily find the coordinates of P using sections formula. Here let us say that this is x1 y1, x1 y1, x2 y2 and this is M and N. So the coordinates of P can be found like mx2. M is 3. 3 times of x2 is 3 2s are 6 and nx1 4 times of minus 2 is minus 8 and m plus n is 3 plus 4 7. Now my2, so 3 times of minus 4 is minus 12 and ny1 4 times of minus 2 is minus 8 divided by 3 plus 4 7. So the coordinates are minus 2 by 7 and minus 12 minus 8 is minus 20 by 7. So This is the point P which divides the line segment AB in the ratio of 3:4. Find the coordinates of the points which divide the line segment joining -4, 0 and 0, 6 into 4 equal parts. So suppose this is point A and this is point B. So to divide this into 4 equal parts, we have to mark 3 points. So now these 4 parts are equal. We have to find the coordinates of these points. That is our question. So to understand this, let us check the graph for this. Here A is a point and B is a point on which P, Q, R 3 points are marked. So if you observe, let us say that you are not seeing points Q and R. So if you are seeing only P, P is dividing this line segment into 1:3 parts and Q is dividing into 1:1 and R is dividing into 3:1 parts. So we have to find 3 points using section formula, which is mx2 plus nx1 by m plus n, comma my2 plus ny1 by m plus n. So for first point we will take m is to n as 1:3 and for second point you can take q as 1:1 or q is also midpoint of A and B. Directly you can find midpoint. And third one is, if to find R we have to consider 3:1 as m is to n, and this one will be x1 y1 and this is x2 y2. So let us find using section formula. P divides in the ratio of 1:3. So for P, m is to n is 1:3. Now we will find the values of P, which is mx2 means 1 into x2 is 0 and minus nx2 3 4 times nx1 is 12 by m plus n is 1 plus 3, comma my2 is 1 times of 6 is 6 plus ny1 3 into 0 is 0 by 1 plus 3 means m plus n. So we can say minus 12 by 4. Minus 12 by 4 is minus 3 and 6 by 4. 6 by 4, or we can write 3 by 2. Now to find point Q, we have to consider the ratio as 1:1. So here m and n are 1, so it will become x2 plus x1 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2, which is midpoint formula. So minus 4 plus 0 is minus 4 plus 0 plus 6 is 6 by 2. Sorry, here we can write x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2. Now minus 4 by 2 is minus 2, 6 by 2 is 3. So this is point Q. Now we will find point R. Point R is dividing in the line segment into 3:1. The line 3:1. So 3:1 m is to n. That implies R is equals to, now mx2. M into x2 is 0 plus nx1. 1 times x1 is minus 4. Minus 4 divided by m plus n is 3 plus 1, 4. Again my2, 3 times of 6 which is 18 plus ny1. 1 into 0 is 0. divided by m plus n is 4. Now minus 4 divided by 4 is minus 1, and 18 divided by 4 is 9 by 2. So P, Q and R are the three coordinates which divide the line segment into 4 parts.